Hey, 30-Minute Marketers, Gary Baker here with you. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how and why you need to create content for affiliate marketing to make money online. The first part is how. How do you go about creating content as an affiliate marketer, specifically to make money online? And the first way you do that is by just sharing your own knowledge and your own experiences. Of course, as the way it directly relates to the product you're an affiliate for. So, if you're an affiliate for, say, a physical product like a hammer or a screwdriver, then you tell stories about how you use that and the best way to use that or your experiences with it on the project that you're working on or the project that you've worked on in the past. If you don't have that direct experience, then you find out what makes it the best and you share that information. So the best way to do that when you're starting out is simply to just go and do research. So if we were to go to the computer right here and you were to type in what is the best screwdriver and then just go with something, for example, what is the best screwdriver for electricians? Then you would simply just take the results from this first page that you see right here and you would read these reviews, would compare this review, and then you would add your opinion. Okay, so that is what we talk about in the world of content creation as content curation, or building a skyscraper, or the skyscraper technique that you may have heard of inside of SEO, which is a better way to create content, a bigger, better post than what the competition is doing. But again, if you have this personal knowledge of it, then you share your experience, it's going to drive home the point even better, and it's going to resonate better with your audience. Another way to do this is if you want to actually know, you could interview an expert. So if you know an electrician or maybe one or two electricians, you could actually call them up or interview them and say, what is the best screwdriver? What is the best screwdriver that you use in your business, in your real business to get the job done? And then you provide that to your audience as content. And again, this content in this case, is the written word, meaning you're writing this on your blog, sharing it on your blog, but you could also be sharing this in a Facebook group on your Facebook page. You could also take this same information and you could simply just go to YouTube and you could have this same approach with videos. But in this case, you might want to actually get the best screwdriver or a series of screwdrivers and actually demo them and show them why they're the best in an actual video. And this takes it to the next level of affiliate marketing where you're actually demoing the product. And again, you could also get someone on your channel that is an expert. For example, going back to this electrician example, you could actually get those electricians, if you wanted to, on video, demoing them, or actually go to a site or to their office and say, hey, we're actually going to go on site today and see a real world electrician use this. A certified electrician use this tool, and this is why it's the best. So the thing that you're doing here is you're building content that is of the highest quality based upon the information that you've collected through your research or through actual interviews or through your own experiences. Again, it's all going to depend on what it is that you're promoting. And in this example, we're talking about a physical product. So this is going to be a little more complicated. So in the case of information product or digital products, you could simply do a book review. So like all the books behind me, right? You could step away and you could say, okay, I'm not going to go to the internet. I'm going to go to real world books. Of course, almost all these books behind me, if not all of them, you can get a digital copy of. But there's something to be said for holding up a book. And just like in this case, I'm talking to you about content creation. So what did I do? I went out and read one, if not the top book on content creation. Okay. For example, this is a book called Content Incorporated: How Entrepreneurs Use Content to Build Massive Audiences and Create Radically Successful Businesses by Joe Paluzzi. So this is not the only book I read. So if you take the time and you actually learn and study, you can report on the information. And as you're reporting on the information, again, you tap into experts through their books, or you actually reach out to that expert and you interview them. And then you share that knowledge that you've gained, that you've learned. So that's a little bit of the how and the why. But to follow up more on the why, is the point is content creation is what drives the internet. It is what builds your business. It is how you build your business, by creating content to help real people find real answers to the problems they have. That's what affiliate marketing is about when you decide to pick a niche. You're looking for real people with real problems, and your content is helping them solve those problems. And then along the way, as they get to like, know, and trust you with the content you're creating, they're going to want to click on your suggestions, and they're going to want to come back and purchase through your links in the case of affiliate marketing, or they're going to want to buy your products. For example, in that case of the best screwdriver for electricians, suppose you create a course on how to use screwdrivers as an electrician, right? Or how to be an electrician and how to use screwdrivers safely, or the best way to use them, or all the things that you need a screwdriver for as an electrician, and you create a course on that and you sell it. Your audience is going to want to buy that. They're going to want to support you. They're going to want to use the tools that you use as an influencer. And that's what creating content is all about. And that's why you as an affiliate marketer have to understand that you have to take the time to create really good content, high value, give that away, build an audience. And at the end of the day, this is the how and the why you create content as an affiliate marketer to make money online. Now, what I'm going to be doing soon is following this video up with another video that actually talks about content marketing strategy, and we're going to walk through that as well to include a calendar to help you get started and stay on track. So if you have any questions about any of this content in this video, go ahead and ask me in the comments, and I'll be sure to add that to the future videos. And if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the videos you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.